Ready for some magic? I started with a dog photo so blurry you could barely tell it was a dog. In less than a minute, I transformed it into an ultra high resolution image and then remixed it into a creative t-shirt design, all using just one advanced AI tool with incredible upscaling and image generation features powered by Flux and Nano Banana models. Want to know how I did it? Stick around because I'm revealing every step right now. The platform I used is HitPaw, which has a powerful AI-driven photo enhancement tools. What really sets HitPaw apart is how fast and easy it makes transforming low-quality or blurry pictures into crisp, high-resolution images. The platform transforms blurry photos to stunning 16K images and has an advanced AI image enhancer and image generator. So it does a remarkable job bringing out details I thought were lost. So if you click on the link in the description, it will take you directly to HitPaw website where you can try the platform for free. You can also download HitPaw as an application that you can run on your PC. Simply press on the download button and press on install, and the application will be installed on your PC in a couple of minutes. Once downloaded, you can register using your Google account and you will get some free credits that you can use on the platform. The platform interface will be similar to the one you see right now. There are many features that you can use on HitPaw Photopea. The platform has a background remover, an AI generator, an AI photo editor, a magic upscaler, in addition to many other tools. Throughout this video, we're going to focus on two tools, the upscaler and the AI generator. So let's go back to the home screen and we are going to press on the enhance photos now, and you will be directed to a similar interface. Just press on the plus sign and upload your photo. In our example, I'm going to upload the blurry dog photo that I have, and automatically you will be faced with a menu on the right with all the upscaling models. There is a face model with a soft V2 and a sharp modes, and there is also an upscale model, a denoise model, a sharpen model, in addition to other features and models that will automatically be enabled once you upload any photo. You will might be asked to download a couple of modes once you work with HitPaw for the first time. You can of course play with each of these models to get the best result for your upscaled image. And as you can see, the blurred image is on the left, which looks completely destroyed, and the upscaled one is on the right. And this is the result that I got with the sharp mode and the upscale model switched on together. And the upscale model has a 8x scale multiplier with a high quality mode. So I switched it on, and with the face model selected, I get this amazing result. And now the new image is completely different, as if the AI model added some crisp details that completely transformed my dog image to a newly upscaled one. So once you're satisfied with your final result, just press on the export image button, and this will export your image to your desktop. And this is how the downloaded image looks like. Complete restoration of the dog image. Now let's convert our upscaled image to a design using the same platform. To do that, press on the AI image generator, and this will take you to the image generator section where you will be faced with many AI image models and images that were created by other users. You can press on any of them to see the prompt and or remix the photo to create something that you like. And if you press on the AI styles tab, you can see different styles and different modes, and you can copy any of these prompts and apply it to your image to get a similar style to the photo that you upload. So, and inside the AI image generator, you will see two tabs, the text to image and the image to image. So the text to image mode has a couple of Flux models, the Flux context, the Flux fast, and also the stable diffusion. So simply paste the prompt and press on the generate button after choosing your model. For this example, I'm choosing the Flux dev model to create a test sample, and my prompt says a vector t-shirt design of a fierce bald eagle head with sharp intense eyes. The complete prompt is now visible on the screen, and after a couple of seconds I got my result, a great and amazing using vector style image that was created using the Flux Dev model. Now let's press on the image to image button, and now I'm going to upload the upscale dog image, and using the nano banana model I'm going to edit the image. So let's make the dog wearing a hat and press on the generate button, and the selected model is the nano banana model, the trending AI model that is perfect for image editing. And after a couple of seconds, we get a perfect image, the same dog, exactly the same expression and facial features with a hat. Looks perfect. So let's download the new image and upload it once again to the platform. And this time I'm going to ask it to add sunglasses and press on the generate button. And after a couple of seconds, I get a perfect image of the same dog with sunglasses. So the result is perfect. I like the image. So I'm going to download it, and this time I'm going to remix this image to a new style. So I'm going back to my home screen and press on the AI styles. I'm going to choose one of the styles. I like this one. I'm going to copy the prompt and add it to the prompt box, transform to American cartoon style while maintaining all identifying characteristics, and I'm adding the new generated image of the dog with the hat and the sunglasses to the platform with the prompt, and I'm going to press on the generate button. And every time you generate a new image, you can see the number of credits that is going to consume. And again, after a couple of seconds, I get a perfect American cartoon style of the dog, perfect style for t-shirt and for print on demand. And if you press on the AI upscale button, it will take the image directly to HitPaw Photopea image upscaler, where you can play with the models and modes if you would like to upscale it further. So I'm going to export the upscaled image and press on the home button to go back to HitPaw AI image generation board. And this time I'm going to add a prompt to create a design while using the nano banana model, and I am still on the image to image tab, and this is the prompt that I used to transform this image to a complete or full design with text. Again, I'm using the nano banana model. You can choose between different models on the platform, as we have tested the Flux and the nano banana. And this is the result that I get. Complete design with text and even a cool splash background that you can download and remove the background easily. And this time I'm going to change some of the text and regenerate the image also using the nano banana model. And this is the result that I get. Perfect design with perfect text style. All the prompts that I used throughout this video will be linked in the description of the video. And this was a quick tutorial on how I used HitPaw Photopea to upscale a blur, to upscale an image, and step-by-step convert it to a design for print on demand. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching.